Imagine having the complete power to convert your basic WordPress into ultra-smart 3-in-1 WordPress that generates Google-friendly blogs, creates profit-pulling sales funnels, and even sends inbox-friendly mails to your subscribers for life. And ultimately, stop paying huge monthly to expensive and complicated third-party autoresponders, sales funnel creators, and blogging tools in just 60 seconds with literally zero grunt work at your end. So if you too are willing to make the most from your basic WordPress and enjoy a never-ending lead over your competitors without creating a single sales funnel yourself, without spending tons of hours writing basic blogs that no one loves, without using boring and outdated templates that the audience hates, without facing deliverability issues and seeing your emails bounce consistently, without watching your mails land consistently in spam folder, and without paying huge every month for third-party platforms, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting WP AI Engine, revolutionary all-in-one WP AI engine that writes self-updating blogs, creates one-click profitable funnels, and sends inbox-friendly emails from built-in server at an unbeatable low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, create. Number 3, profit. And that's it. You're all set to create stunning blogs, build high-converting sales funnels, and automate your email marketing all from a single platform. Here are some amazing benefits you get with WP AI Engine. First ever WordPress-based 3-in-1 AI tech that creates self-updating blogs, high-converting funnels, and send unlimited emails from one dashboard. Convert your WordPress into fully functional free autoresponder sales funnel and blog creator in 3 easy steps. Save 3 times more time and money. Stop juggling with multiple tools when these advanced AI tech does all by itself. Auto-create 100,000 plus DFY Google-friendly blogs and red-hot niches without writing a single word yourself. Send inbox-friendly emails to your subscribers with built-in WP servers and guaranteed 99.4% inbox delivery rate. Create 50,000 plus profit-making funnels with landing pages, upsells, checkout, and thank you pages. Customize anything with a lightning-fast drag-and-drop editor. Change text, images, layouts in seconds. Built-in email sender with 99% inbox rate. No more paying for external services like GetResponse, MailChimp, or Auber. Profit instantly by using these blogs for ClickBank, AdSense, or by promoting other affiliate offers. Get Premium AdSense Booster to rotate ads on your blogs and get maximum CTR. Everything is hosted on your own servers. Boost branding with zero dependency on third-party servers. Global payment gateway support to sell products or services worldwide with ease. WooCommerce ready, plus integration with major tools and platforms so everything connects smoothly. Massive plugin library included to boost engagement, conversions, and lead capture. Stop paying monthly fees to ClickFunnels, MailChimp, Auber, Blogger, and others. Save thousands yearly. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during the special launch deal. We're confident that this much value's never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. Make it fast, as this is a limited-time offer. Once you close this page, and the special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, WP AI Engine will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get WP AI Engine for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.